Have you ever heard something presented as a solid scientific truth only to find out years later that the understanding had completely shifted? It is a fascinating part of how science evolves. Early studies on sugar often misled the public and even some experts because they frequently suffered from methodological weaknesses and, in some cases, were influenced by industries with vested interests. The core reason behind these misleading findings was often a lack of rigorous scientific protocols that are standard today. Many studies had small sample sizes, lacked proper control groups, or failed to account for confounding variables. For instance, attributing complex behaviors like hyperactivity solely to sugar intake overlooked many other factors in a child's diet and environment. Additionally, historical documents have revealed instances where the sugar industry actively sponsored research that downplayed sugar's role in health issues and instead shifted blame to fat. To navigate today's nutritional information, it is essential to look for studies that are independently funded, peer-reviewed, and conducted with large, diverse populations. Be wary of sensational claims based on single studies. Instead, seek consensus from multiple credible scientific organizations and consider whether research funding might introduce bias. This thoughtful approach helps ensure you are getting the most accurate and unbiased information. A classic example is the enduring myth that sugar causes hyperactivity in children. Despite its widespread acceptance for decades, numerous comprehensive and well-designed studies have consistently shown no direct cause-and-effect relationship between sugar consumption and hyperactivity. This highlights the critical distinction between correlation, where two things appear together, and causation, where one directly leads to the other. Just because kids eat sweets at parties and then get excited does not mean the sugar caused the excitement. The party environment itself is a significant factor. By understanding the historical shortcomings of early sugar research, we become more discerning consumers of scientific information. This critical perspective empowers us to make better informed choices for our health, relying on robust evidence rather than outdated or biased claims, ultimately leading to a clearer, more accurate picture of nutrition.